Meaning of gatecrasher.
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 Gatecrasher. Gatecrasher refers to someone who attends an event without an invitation or ticket. The term is typically used in a negative context as it implies a disregard for rules and boundaries. A gatecrasher may be seen as an intruder who has entered a space that they were not meant to be in. While some may view gatecrashing as a harmless act of spontaneity, it can also lead to disruption and inconvenience for those who are hosting the event. Overall, gatecrashing is generally frowned upon and seen as an unwelcome behavior.